You've been told the easiest way to build your network is look at LinkedIn, reach out to right people, reach out to people in your industry, reach out to the hiring manager, and you will start getting offers like rain falling in Singapore. But that's not the case. There is an art and science to reaching out to people on LinkedIn messages. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why your LinkedIn messages are not getting replies. In fact, if I were to just rename this video, it would be 5 types of LinkedIn messages who never get replies from hiring managers and the network. Hi, my name is Shubh Faujdar. Welcome back to the channel. I'm a Singapore-based job search strategist and career coach and a former corporate recruiter. I'm also a LinkedIn top voice, the blue badge. And I create 2 videos every week for this channel. One is a short actionable tip, less than 2 minutes, and the other one is a deep dive on a particular topic. And today's topic is 5 types of LinkedIn messages which do not get replies. The first type, the super vague message. Now, whenever I received messages which say, "Hi, how are you? Hi, how is your day going? Hi, I hope you're well," and nothing else, it's very difficult for me to reply. Typically, it's from somebody I have no idea about. This is not real-time conversation. This is not WhatsApp. This is not messaging. I'm not having a call with you. So just leaving it at that, I don't know what's going to be the next ask. And I'm always worried, once I respond to this person, what pitch is coming to me. So I, most of the time, do not even respond. I anyway don't know what else to say apart from, "Hi, I'm good." I mean, you are not somebody close to me, so you're not going to get much out of this. Think of LinkedIn messaging more like an email. Do you send email to random people and say, "Hi, how are you?" without asking them for your main ask? If not, you have to stop doing that. Most people don't have the time and bandwidth to check their LinkedIn message in real time. The second time is people who do zero research on your profile. They are copy pasting a message which they are randomly sending to everyone. It could be something about your profile. It could be them asking you for a job. I get so many messages which are telling me, as a technology specialist, I've never worked in technology, by the way, and people still reaching out to me by just reading my headline. I help people land jobs fast and assuming I'm a recruiter, but nowhere in my profile do I claim to be a recruiter. In fact, I categorically mention I used to be a recruiter. So if you haven't even spent 5 minutes of your time to reach out to me, please do not expect me to reply to you. You need to do some research, something about their company, something about them, something which tells them that, okay, this person has taken out the time to find a common angle, a common interest, common connection. Those are the messages which tend to get reply. The third time is you haven't warmed them up. Look, the type of messages which get a lot of replies are when you've already engaged with the person on their content, you've commented on it, you've helped them out with something. If you haven't warmed them up, please do not expect to get a reply from random people, even for help, even if your message is best crafted. You need to put the right kind of warmth and connection in your network. The fourth type of message, you are adopting a me mindset. You are all about me, me, me. I'm this. You've written them 5 paragraphs, how awesome you are or how awesome your product is. And then you expect them to reach out to you. Look, they don't have the time, effort, energy to read so much content. You haven't provided anything of value and you just want them to help you out because subjectively you think you are amazing or your product is amazing without knowing anything about this person. So those kind of messages, for me, they move to the other folder. I'm still generous enough to not block this person or disconnect with this person, but I've moved the person to the other folder because it's a salesy pitch. And the last type is you are asking too much too soon. You haven't had a conversation with this person and you want them to refer to a job. You haven't done anything to build your credibility and trust with this person and you want them to hire you. This is asking a lot. Your LinkedIn message, the main point should be, how do I take this conversation offline? How can I have a call with this person or a meeting with this person? And taking your conversation just to the next level is the main way of getting them to respond to you. But even with all these suggestions, I have to tell you honestly, only 25 to 30% of your LinkedIn messages will get a response. Most people don't respond to cold messages. So expecting that you'll get 100% replies is just unreasonable. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want me to talk about how to craft messages which get replies on LinkedIn, please do type in the comments and I'll look at creating a video on that. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to this channel. Now, until next week, go make an impact. Take care.